Sunday, July 20th, taking a look at the Astro Excel workbook. This is an Excel sheet. It's a standalone sheet that comes with the Perfect Storm book. So if you don't use Ninja Trader and you can't use the indicator, you have the Excel book which plots everything out for you. The top of the sheet, you have this pull down tab where you can pick the date. All of 2025 is included in this workbook. Setting this up for Monday the 21st, you have a 24-hour chart that shows you the whole day of the green line, the blue line, and the gray line. The gray line is the intraday fast movers. These extremes will give you the intraday turn times. There's also two 12-hour charts that break it down and get it a little tighter. This one's from midnight to 1 p.m. You can see when you hold your cursor at the key point, it tells you what time that is. Then there's a 12 noon to midnight chart. Actually starts at 10 a.m. So it goes from 10 a.m. to 2400. You don't have to change the date here. These first charts adjust off the date that you've input at the top in column A, row 1. Then we get to the point where we have a 2-hour chart here which shows all 3 lines. This has a pull down box where you can choose the time of the day. This works on the date that you put in row 1, but you can choose the time and it'll give you a 2-hour projection. Say I want to start at midnight. It'll give me the plot from midnight on, and this will give you the likely intraday turning points, and this will also at times give you a good trend indication. The pattern of the market will follow these points. Then we have our weekly tab, which is a separate pull down tab with all 52 weeks in the year. And then we have the monthly chart at the bottom, and that is also going to be based off of the date that was chosen at the top in row 1. So looking at the forecast for the coming week, starting on Sunday the 20th, we've got green line relatively neutral, breaking upward on Tuesday and getting up above plus 10 for the rest of the week, where we're between plus 10 and plus 20. So we're going to be relatively bullish from late Tuesday onward into the end of the week. We've got blue line spikes. We've got a key spike here, 1800 on right on the open tonight, and then we're kind of inside the tens on Monday. This one comes close, right at minus 10 at 1900 Monday. We've got this big spike low at 1300 on Tuesday. Late Tuesday, we've got this point here at 2000, double tapping here at 1 a.m. On the 23rd, spike low at 10 a.m., spike high 1800. On the 24th, spike high at 1500. The green line also peaks here. Both lines are down right there. This blue line bottoms here inside the 10. We have this big spike here at 1100 on the 25th. And then this is after the session ends Friday, so that one's out of play. Anyhow, that's a look at the sheet and also a look at the weekly projection on the Astro Excel chart.